This is exciting. I have some viewer mail to share. If you want to see what I was sent, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I am really excited. As I mentioned in the teaser, I get to open up some viewer mail. And this is viewer mail that I was aware of not quite late last year, but definitely later in the year. And it took all of 3 months, I think, to get to me. Marielle, you can confirm or specify if you want in a comment below this video, and let me tell me, pardon me, if I'm out to lunch with the time frame, but I think it was 3 months. Anyway, I thought it was lost. I think Marielle also thought it was lost, and Marielle, I'm hoping that I'm saying your name correctly. I have no idea if it's right or not. I'm sure you will let me know if I've got it wrong. But yeah, so 3 months, and she did end up telling me pretty much what was in the package, but it's still a lot of fun to open it up. So all I've done is cut the top so I could reach the stuff inside the envelope, but I have not looked at what is in here. So we are going to discover it together, and she did say that it was, for the most part, some sample type things. And I'm thankful and grateful for whatever is in here, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun to discover it with you. So let's dive right in, shall we? Okay, I'm going in no particular order. And so I have this first, oh my, that is beautiful. Look at this packaging. Isn't that neat? So this is the first one. And it says Ici Paris XL. No idea. And it's sealed on the back, so I think that's how I'm supposed to open it. Okay, so I'm managing to open it. What is this? I think it's a lip product. Yeah, so there's nothing else in the box, although I really like this packaging. I might actually see if I can repurpose it. And what do we have here? It says, okay, so I think it's a lip product. There's, it says Marsala on it, 303, so let me just open that up. I think it's a lip product. Oh, a lip gloss, a high shine lip gloss. Oh, that is really pretty. That is really pretty. Let's see, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, a flat applicator, which I don't mind at all. I'm using one of those in one of the Urban Decay lip glosses that I'm using in 1993, which is my favorite, one of my favorite colors from Urban Decay. And it says Be Creative Makeup. So that is a brand I am absolutely not familiar with. If I can get the camera to focus. And so I'm looking forward to using this one. And it says 303 Marsala and made in Italy. So this is lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am going to enjoy that. So let's put that aside. Okay, next one. Let's see what I pull out here. Oh, there's a little card here. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it through the kind of, it's like a wax paper packaging of sorts. I'm opening it up. It's like, there's a really neat, like, clean scent to this. It's really, it's like almost like there's a little perfume to it. It's kind of nice. So it says, thanks, you're the sweetest. Thanks, you're the sweetest. Thanks, you're the sweetest. That's so cool. I'm just going to take a look at the message here. Oh, hi, Hélène, with the accents. Thank you so much. a little something for you to say thanks. Please open the goodies first and then read the letter. There's a letter. I hope you will enjoy these little gifts. Lots of loves, lots of loves, lots of love from the Netherlands, Marielle. I am very happy with that, and I'm sure this is a very thoughtful note. I will leave that for later. All right, Marielle, what is in the next? Oh, she did a little, that's so nice. Everything seems to be like just a little bit dressed up. That is so cute. And I have a feeling this seems like a craft, like a homemade craft. I'm not sure if that's the case, but it is lovely regardless. It's so sweet. Okay, I'm opening this up, and it's almost like there's that same scent on this one too, which I think that's a nice touch. I have to think or consider that when I'm sending a little package, because there's just a lovely scent in the whole package. It's just so neat. And who knows, maybe this is a scented product, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to open that up. Oh, it's really well sealed. I'm trying to open it up. Face masks? Okay, let me just make sure I'm not throwing something out. Okay. Sheet mask. I will use them. I have a love-hate relationship with masks, but I will use them. I will use them. How about, if you want me to use these on camera, let me know. If you want me to, I will. Let me know. Like, comment E or nay below the video. So this one is a white truffle sheet mask. Okay. It's a 15 to 20 minute mask. Helps condition and soothe dry skin. I could definitely use this in January, February. I guess February now, because we're at the end of January. Do not use on irritated or damaged skin. Good to know. And okay, so we've got soothes dry skin. Like I said, it's a good time for me to have that mask. The next one is a sheet mask with egg white, and it is for a softer skin. So that's the second one. You sent me 3? Holy cow, so that's 2. And this one is with Caviar. Posh. Okay, and it says gives your skin a boost. So that is the third one. I have never owned 3 masks at once. So this is a new experience for me. So I've got 3 sheet masks. I'm feeling very very pampered right now. So thank you for this. This is absolutely lovely. All of these products are lovely and right on the money. I mean, sheet masks, the thing is, I seem to use them if I am gifted some, either from a brand or in this case from Marielle. And yeah, I'll use them. Bottom line, I'll use them. So it's funny. Sometimes we need to be gifted things to make use of them. Somehow not getting it for ourselves. I don't know how that works, but it's a reality. Okay, so here we go. I don't know how much more there is in here. I'm just reaching in. Ah, and I did hear that she was sending me some samples. So let's just open this up. And I guess Be Creative Makeup, the lip gloss came from that company. I guess it's maybe a popular, well-known company in the Netherlands. Maybe Marielle can clarify for us on that. And let's see. So I'm just opening up a bunch of samples that was in this package. And okay, oh, a matte foundation in feather finish and a diamond dew glow foundation. So 2 different kinds of foundation from Be Creative, I think. Be Creative Makeup. I will definitely try these. I'm always up for trying different foundations. Cleansing oil. So this is for makeup removal. And I think it's from Pure. Yep, good stuff. I will use that for sure. Moisturizing face cream with goji berries by Ici Paris XL. Super. And what's this? Oh, Vichy. Okay, so Neovadiol, a Phyto Sculpt for neck and face contours. And I just finished a Vichy cream. If you want to see the cream in question, it's in my empties video this month. And another Vichy product, which is the Liftactive Serum 10 for eyes and lashes, and suitable for sensitive skin. Yes, please. I will definitely use this, no question. I'll use all of this, no problem. There is also this repair cream from Avène. It's called Cicalfate, I think. Cicalfate. That is that sample. And then another one from Avène, which is a lipid replenishing cleansing oil. Oh, good, another cleanser. I have no problem with having cleansers. I like to try them, so that's great. Oh, and another foundation called the Beiges. This is a natural tint hydrating and long wear foundation. So that is cool. I get to try that. All these samples and things that I don't necessarily have access to, like this brand I have never ever heard of. So that is super exciting to have 3 products from Be Creative with Makeup. I think that's cool. It's all cool. I'm enjoying this whole thing. She wrapped another one. Oh my goodness, the amount of care and attention to this package is like crazy. It's crazy. That's so thoughtful. And oh, I know this is a squeezy tube for sure. Let's open this up. Okay, so I'm just trying to find the way to do this. This is like the big product of everything. And this is the Ritual of Sakura. It says, celebrate each day as a new beginning, and it is a recovery hand balm. Are you kidding me? My hands are dying right now. This is lovely. This is so perfect for me right now. I have a lot of trouble with dry skin, and I can guarantee you I will be in this thing tonight. That is great, and it's 70 mils or 2.3 fluid ounces. It will last me quite a while, and I have, in the winter, very dry skin. Thank you so much. That's very thoughtful. And we made it to the end. That's it. We made it. I hope you enjoyed discovering what was in this envelope as much as I have. I'm a little overwhelmed. There's a lot to try. I'm super thankful. My curiosity is piqued. I can't wait to try a bunch of these products, and I will let you know how these samples and full size products are working for me as I go through, maybe as I go through my empties videos. I guess at the end of February you can hear quite a bit about some of the things that Marielle has sent my way. I'm really pleased. And like I said, if you want to see the sheet masks, in a video, I can do that. If you want to see a try on of the lip gloss and some other products that she sent my way, please let me know as well. I'm quite happy to try a bunch of this stuff on camera if you're curious. Let me know your thoughts and we'll go from there. That is it for this little unexpected unpackaging for today. I just picked it up from the post office. I didn't even know what it was that I was picking up, and what a delightful surprise. So that is it from me. Let me know what you think, and if you have any ideas or suggestions, I'm all ears. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, as always, take care.